So my name is Melanie. I am Biosculpture's Head of Education. Today I'm going to do a quick demonstration of our new HP nail art products. As you can see, we've already done a French on her. I have then removed my adhesion layer, so it's just a dull surface, and I'm going to go ahead and do my nail art on top of that. So I'm going to use my red pigment. I'm going to put just a little bit on our nail plate. And then we're actually going to take our little heart stencil. This you can use for the entire service. 1 per client is suggested. So our stencil we're going to stick wherever you want your design to be. Use your little puffer. Pick up a tiny little bit of color. Make sure you get a good spread on your puffer. And then just paste it on. When you have a good color, go ahead, remove your stencil. And carefully move it to your next spot. Repeat your steps, get some color on your stencil, make sure you have a good coverage. You have a good coverage, and go ahead and stencil away. Once you're happy with your design, we're going to go ahead and cure in an LED for 30 seconds. So this has been cured for 30 seconds. If you want, you can always add some diamonds just to add a little bit of flair to it. You can even add some lines into it if you have a good steady hand using your nail art brush as well as your color pigment. But for now, we're going to just leave it as is because it's a quick, easy design that you can do for all your clients for Valentine's Day coming up. So we're going to just finish our application off with our top coat. This is going to keep your nail really nice and shiny, protect it from yellowing and staining, and get your client out the door faster. Once you have a good application, we're going to go ahead and cure again for 30 seconds. We're going to go ahead and remove your tacky layer using your alcohol and a nail wipe, and your client is all good. So just to show you what the HP nail art kit is, it's all high pigmented colors. We have different colors to choose from, so you can also custom blend your own colors according to whatever it is you want. And there are also more stencils to choose from. We have little stars that you can choose, squares, triangles, butterflies, flowers, circles, bows, and then of course our hearts.